Oh, that's ass. Broke off.
No.
Not again.
Is there a potato first?
Is that the 360?
Yeah. It's recording.
Alright, boys, get ready.
He's got to go. This is gonna work great. I ain't gonna do this. This is going to work.
Nobody caught that. You're right there.
That thing's fine. That's exactly what it's made for.
It's recording.
That worked surprisingly well. I thought that thing was longer.
I did too.
I thought it was a different. You guys
Splayed out in the air.
Oh,
Compressed.
you need to put like a zip tie around the bottom or something.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, that was incredible. The flight back.
But that's what
footage
you
is
want
gonna
though.
be
You want the
amazing.
fins to fly out like a rocket,
I was
right?
gonna say that kept it so flat in the air.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It helps it drop. That was pretty fucking good.
I'm shocked it's falling apart.
Definitely broke my fucking tripod.
No.
Yeah, whatever.
Just clean the mud out.
That's alright. I need a new one anyway.
Yeah, that one's taped together.